Hey y'all, it's India, Miss Butterfly 112, and today I thought I would make my first jar of quick pickled jalapenos. After watching so many videos and seeing so many recipes, I came up with this recipe. I already got my, I believe this is, what is this? My 16-ounce jar ready. We got these jalapenos that need to be used up. Okay, so we're not really measuring how many jalapenos we are using. We're just going to slice enough to fit into this 16-ounce jar. So I'm gonna go ahead and open that. I'm gonna remove the stems. I'm gonna go ahead and remove a few stems first. I probably should go put some gloves on. So let me go get some gloves. Okay, so I got some gloves now. I'm gonna start with these three. And we're just gonna slice them and put them right into the jar. This one is huge compared to the first one I cut. But we're gonna enjoy them either way. Definitely going to enjoy all of this. Love jalapenos. Okay, I think I'm gonna do 3 more. Maybe try to do some smaller ones. I'm gonna do 3 more and see where that leads us. Okay, this is going to be our 6th jalapeno. And yeah, I believe this may be enough. Okay, we're gonna push them out in there. Okay. I think I'm gonna stop at 6 jalapenos in my jar, but y'all, it's already looking beautiful. Okay. I'm gonna wash my hands and then we're gonna start the brine. Okay, let's make the brine. We're gonna do equal parts water and vinegar. You wanna use 5% acidity vinegar. You also can use apple cider vinegar if you want. I'm gonna use distilled. So to our pot, we're gonna add 1 cup of vinegar. One cup water. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the pot on medium heat while we measure the rest of the ingredients. Okay, so to the equal parts water and vinegar, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of cane sugar, 1 tablespoon of salt. I'm using Himalayan. 2 tablespoons of dried onion. 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns. This is a half a teaspoon. All right, so 1 teaspoon of black peppercorn, red pepper flakes, turmeric. I'm gonna give this a stir. And we are going to let this simmer for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally to let the sugar, the salt, that turmeric dissolve, and everything come together. Letting it simmer for another minute, a total of 6 minutes. Is lightly coming to a boil, and that's what we want. After that minute is up, I'm going to pour it back into my measuring cup to pour it into my jar. Okay, so it's been 6 minutes. It came to a boil. Now we're going to cut this off. Okay, so we're going to add our brine. It's beautiful yellow or golden brine. I'm going to add it to a measuring cup so I'm able to better pour it into my jar. I want to get all these spices out of this jar. Out of this pot. Okay. Now that we have our brine, we're going to pour it over our jalapenos. A bit of a mess, but that's okay. All right, I'm going to get a butter knife because I want all this. Try not to make a mess, but we're gonna like debubble it so that brine and the spices really gets into this jar. And then this is going to let us know if we need to add more brine or not. And if you have leftover brine, you can pickle more jalapenos if you have it. Yeah, I think this is perfect. Like the jalapenos are perfectly. I'll get another napkin here and wipe my lid. And wipe the top of the jar. I'm gonna get all this dehydrated onion in there. Okay, wipe it one more time. Wipe up this mess. I'm going to put the lid on loosely. It's kind of loose because I want the jar to cool down a little. But y'all, look how beautiful. So we're gonna let this cool completely before putting it into the refrigerator. Now we're going to leave it into the refrigerator for 2 to 3 days before opening and using it. So with the rest of that quick pickled brine, I decided to chop 2 more jalapenos and add that to that brine. And I was just gonna let this cool before putting it in the refrigerator. And this one had already been sitting, so as you can see, it's starting to change. But y'all, I am so happy about this. Can't wait to give this a try. So we're gonna wait. I'm gonna go ahead and wait 3 days before trying this.